coached two unbelievably different halves. The fourth quarter really separate from the first three. What went wrong in the first half and what went right in the second half?
Well, too many penalties. Get in the game, give them short fields, and we can't do that, and that's a lack of discipline. That's on us, we've got to be able to get to where we can handle big ball games, and obviously I thought we were there, and, too much energy. Maybe we were too rested for this one, but, the guys were jacked up for it. It was a great game. There was a lot of talking going on before the game and that type of stuff, and and that's exactly what I told the guys before they went out on the field. Don't fall in the trap. And we fell into the trap. And then starting the second half, we came out, we settled down, and we started playing football. Might have cost me a broken right hand, but, punching a door, but whatever it takes, And we came back and we played football the second half, just what I was used to seeing all year.
I know you're not into moral victories. I don't know any coach who is, but to be down 35-3 at the half, to be down 35-6 going into the fourth quarter. You threw for 199 yards in the fourth quarter alone. To have your hands on the football with a chance to go down and tie or possibly win with a 2.
Well, very excited for our guys to get that started. Very proud of them, for having that, having the guts to come back and fight for it at the end of the game and, give us a chance. We gave ourselves a chance. The defense fought their butt off the second half and didn't give up any points for 2 quarters, so it just all goes back to the first quarter and those penalties and gave them short fields, and can't do that when you're playing a good football team.
Zach Atkins really never had much of a chance in the first half. He was only sacked once in the second half. What was the difference? What adjustments were made?
Well, we went to a smaller, quicker offensive line, and actually played 2 true freshmen, left guard and right guard. So Bluette and Corliss Johnson, 2 freshmen, got in there and battled it out with a bunch of older guys, and really did a fantastic job and gave us a little more mobility there, and so the bigger guys, we just had to get them out. They're small and quick up front, so it was giving us fits in the pass rush.
Patrick?